Okay, so welcome back to the channel. This is a little bit annoying. I seem to have a slow puncture. I thought it was coming from... Ooh, could be both actually. No, that one seems okay. But this one bubbles up pretty much straight away. There we go. So that one bubbles up pretty much straight away. That one, no, that's fine. So I had a little dig around in the other one. I found a little bit of glass in there, but this one's definitely actively leaking, which is really annoying. So there's something definitely in there, I think. Yeah, I can feel something. Let's see if I can get that out. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm definitely hitting something, and you can actually see it. Have I got something that'll get that out? You can hear that going down now. Can you hear that? Now the problem is lots of motorbike shops won't repair this. Something just came out there. I don't know if it was a bit of metal or something. Yeah, definitely something in there. Seems to be coming out in bits. Yeah, I can feel that, hear that. There it is. So this is a ZR rated tyre. Lots of garages won't repair these. I don't know if that's a legal thing or they just don't want to. So I've got a Rema tip top repair kit here, which is really good. The problem is these bands are so thick, you've got to make a very large hole to get them in. I've also got this one. It's a cheapie I bought off eBay. You got much smaller repair ribbons, I suppose they're called. It comes with this cement, but I prefer this one. And the tools are much better, and they're easier to carry in a car than they would be on a bike. That's why I use this one. So let's give this repair a go. So the first thing you've got to do is make the hole much bigger. Now I've let this tyre go all the way down. If I was doing this at the side of the road, I would try to do it quickly without letting all the air out of the tyre. It's easier to do when there's air in it because it doesn't flex like that. So we've put our repair cord onto the tool. Get plenty of this on. And try and push it in. Here we go. When you pull it back out, your tool should come out and the thing should stay in, or the cord should stay in. There we go. I found with the Rema tool, it's really small and you've got to get the rubber in there, and when you pull it out it doesn't come out properly and it's a bit of a pain. But the product itself is very good. Obviously this is much easier to do in the garage than at the side of the road. You don't need to clean it up. It'll obviously come off when you're driving. Okay, I'm going to leave that for 2 minutes and then I'm going to pump it up. There we go, so I've stuck about 40 psi in there. Can't see anything leaking. This is now my only worry. I'm sure that one must be leaking as well. I don't know. Okay, we'll see how it goes, see if that holds air or not. If that one is leaking, I'll probably just buy a new tyre. So I'm pleased to report after about 3 or 4 days it's still holding pressure. So that second bit of damage to the tyre obviously isn't leaking. So I will now get it professionally patched. Thanks for watching and catch you next time.